So in this video, I'm going to tell you about what is this perpetual calendar. So guys, you had seen in the title 300 years calendar. You can imagine 300 years. You can look 300 years in this from 1801 to 2099. So in this video I'm going to tell you about what is this calendar and what is it used for, and I'm going to find the days like Sunday, Monday when the famous people and I was born using this calendar, and I will also say you how to use this calendar. So guys, welcome back to Users India. It's me, Harsh. The perpetual calendar. So most of us, even me, till seeing this one in my diary, don't know what is perpetual calendar. I don't know what is this calendar. Even there's a calendar like this, there's a name like this, or what it is for. So when I was first seeing this, I was excited. 300-year-old calendar. One calendar for 300-year-old. That also you can see in one page, one side of the page. You can look in a small box. 5 boxes, small boxes. You can look. First, when I had known about it, first I have an anxiety to know this is real or fake. Sometimes they are pranking us, we don't know. So first I googled on Google. After googling, I had understand that this is real. This one is really real. So I can find which day I was born using the date like 2/4/2015. Using this, you can find which day you born. So first, let's go on to the history. So this calendar is made to look the dates in future and also look it in past. There are 3 types of. One is this calendar. The second is Georgia that we really use, and another one is Julian, second one. So 3 types of. In my knowledge, I don't know there is more one, but in my knowledge there are 3 type of calendars. So guys, you can look, this is a close view of the calendar. You can look how much small this calendar is. You can look how it is arranged. 3 box, really genius arrangement. There are 3 boxes for A, blue color, and 1 box for B and C. The A contains the year like 2000, 1999. Like that year this A has, and B has the numbers. You can look the numbers and the month's first letters, and C has the day of the week. So I'm going to look which day of the week did I was born. I was born in 2004 December 24, before the Jesus Christ was born. Lucky man. So first I want to select where is 2004. Here you can take a scale for finding it. You will not have confusion. They did not say that, but I use it for my comfort. Like this, you should keep or look the straight way to the numbers and find your month. I'm in December 3. So 2004 and 3. Add the 24 and the number you have get here down the month. So we should find that number and add this number to your date of birth. So 27. Here are up to 37 numbers are there. I think you can look, there are 37 numbers over here. So you should find the number that you had get when you had added the date of birth and the number you had get here 3. I got 27. Let's look where is 27. Here is the 27. You can look Friday. So I understand I was born on Friday. We are going to find some famous persons when they was born. Gandhiji was born on Saturday. Oh, Einstein and I was born on same day of the week, Friday. Let's stop by knowing the date of birth of Nikola Tesla and Elon Musk. I have to look many people's, but I can't. You can look if you have. I will put the photo of this in the description box. Last, Elon Musk. He was born on 28th June 1971. He was born on Monday. 300 calendar versus 1 year calendar. You can look how much big is. This is made big because people want to see it more clearly, they can write. But if we make it smaller, we can maximum make it this much size. That also 1 year. But we cannot make 300-year calendar using this method. You will need a ton of book, like a dictionary, but no one can carry it. But you can carry it using this. There's different types of devices for calculating 300 or more calendars, this type of calendar. Whoever invented this one, I will say, he is genius and brilliant than the person who invented this one. That's sure. And he is a person who likes small things. He's a person who have a will of technology, who is great in technology or science like field, like science field. He is great. Then only he can make this much small and efficient. If I say this is the best idea I have ever seen, literally many people does not know this 300-year calendar or more than that. So guys, I think this video is useful for you. So please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So guys, see you next video. Till then, thanks for watching. We can give it to our grandsons. If you like this calendar and if you know different calendars like this, then please comment below.